back with me. So today I'm gonna ride Renegade. So I'm just gonna magic brush him really quick because he has some mud on him, so I'm gonna get that off. So I'm gonna hard brush him.
You do that in your own privacy, in your synagogue, in your mosque, whatever the hell you go to. Do you know what I mean?
Okay, so I'm gonna use my hard brush and just brush out his hair really quickly, and most of it I can go and hold some hair out. Brush him. I'm not spending too much time because he's fairly clean. He doesn't really much. I picked his feet out off camera because he doesn't like that. So I'm gonna start putting his tack on. I'm gonna use this pink gel pad on him. I'm gonna put my saddle on. Put his martingale on before I put his girth on. Okay. Get his girth on. I'm gonna do it up like 3. So I bridled him off camera because he was not behaving. Now I'm gonna put his reins